Good morning, and welcome back to English with Audie. Today, we are going to learn very useful English phrases. We are going to talk about your home, the rooms, the furniture, and the things we say every single day inside our homes. Every phrase you hear today is used every single day by real people in the United States and the United Kingdom. So, let us walk around our home together in English. Let us start in the living room. In English, we say, I am going to sit in the living room. Say it slowly. I am going to sit in the living room. In the UK, people say, I am going to the lounge. Lounge means living room in British English. I am going to the lounge. We also say, can you turn the TV on, please? Slowly. Can you turn the TV on, please? And we often say, come and sit down. Make yourself at home. Say it with me. Come and sit down. Make yourself at home. This means relax and feel comfortable. Now, let us go to the bedroom. In English, we say, I need to make my bed. Say it slowly. I need to make my bed. Making the bed means straightening the sheets and pillows neatly. We also say, I left my phone on the bedside table. Slowly. I left my phone on the bedside table. The bedside table is the small table next to your bed. In the UK, people say, I am going to pull the duvet up. Duvet means a thick, warm blanket. I am going to pull the duvet up. We also say, this room needs tidying up. This room needs tidying up. Tidy up means to clean and organize. Now, let us go to the hallway. The hallway is the area near the front door. In English, we say, can you answer the door, please? Say it slowly. Can you answer the door, please? Answer the door means go and open the door for whoever is knocking. We also say, someone is at the door. Slowly, someone is at the door. In the UK, people say, there is someone at the front door. Can you get it? Can you get it means, can you answer the door? We also say, leave your shoes at the door, please. Say it with me. Leave your shoes at the door, please. Very common phrase. Now, let us go to the dining room. In English, we say, dinner is ready. Come to the table. Say it slowly. Dinner is ready. Come to the table. We also say, can everyone sit down, please? Slowly. Can everyone sit down, please? While eating, we say, pass the salt, please. Say it with me. Pass the salt, please. In the UK, people say, shall we eat in the dining room or the lounge tonight? Shall we eat in the dining room or the lounge tonight? After eating, we say, that was a lovely meal. Thank you. That was a lovely meal. Thank you. Now, let us go outside. In the USA, people say, I am going to the backyard. Say it slowly. I am going to the backyard. In the UK, people say, I am going out to the garden. I am going out to the garden. We also say, the garden needs watering today. Slowly, the garden needs watering today. Watering means giving water to plants. We also say, can you mow the lawn, please? Say it with me. Can you mow the lawn, please? Mow the lawn means to cut the grass. In the UK, people say, I need to do the garden. Do the garden means to tidy and care for the garden. I need to do the garden. Many homes have a study or a home office. In English, we say, I am going to work from home today. Say it slowly. I am going to work from home today. We also say, I need to sit at my desk. Slowly, I need to sit at my desk. While working, we say, please do not disturb me. I am in a meeting. Please do not disturb me. I am in a meeting. In the UK, people say, I am working from home today. Keep it down, please. Keep it down, please. We also say, I need to concentrate. I need to concentrate. Now, let us learn some very common phrases we say every day at home. In English, we say, can you tidy up your room, please? Say it slowly. Can you tidy up your room, please? We also say, turn the lights off when you leave the room. Slowly, turn the lights off when you leave the room. We also say, it is getting cold in here. Can you close the window? Say it with me. It is getting cold in here. Can you close the window? In the UK, people say, put the heating on. It is freezing. Put the heating on means turn on the central heating. Put the heating on. It is freezing. Every home needs housework. In English, we call this doing the chores. We say, I need to do the laundry today. Say it slowly. I need to do the laundry today. Laundry means washing your clothes. We also say, can you vacuum the living room? Slowly. Can you vacuum the living room? Vacuum means to clean the floor with a vacuum cleaner. In the UK, people say, I need to do the hoovering. Hoovering means vacuuming. Hoover is the British word for vacuum cleaner. I need to do the hoovering. We also say, the house needs a good clean. The house needs a good clean. After a busy day, it is time to relax. In English, we say, I just want to relax at home tonight. Say it slowly. I just want to relax at home tonight. We also say, I need to unwind. Slowly. I need to unwind. Unwind means to fully relax and rest. In the UK, people say, I am going to have a quiet night in. A night in means staying home instead of going out. I am going to have a quiet night in. We also say, home sweet home. Say it with feeling. Home sweet home. Wonderful work today. Let us quickly review all our home phrases. 1. I am going to sit in the living room. 2. I need to make my bed. 3. Can you answer the door, please? 4. Dinner is ready. Come to the table. 5. I am going to the backyard. 6. I need to concentrate. 7. Can you tidy up your room? 8. Put the heating on. 9. I need to do the laundry. 10. Home sweet home. Practice these phrases every single day, inside your own home. Say them while you move from room to room. Your English will grow every single day. Thank you so much for watching today. I really hope these home phrases helped you. Every time you walk from room to room in your own home, try to say these phrases out loud. When you sit on the sofa, when you make your bed, when you tidy up, say it in English. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up. And subscribe to English with Audie for a brand new simple English video every single week. I will see you in the next video. Take care, keep practicing, and enjoy your home. Goodbye for now.